There's no point hiding, Mr. Cat. You're going to the groomers today, whether you like it or not.
My calculations are incontrovertible. It is 99.999% certain that Magoo will ruin my next plan.
That's nuts. I never would have guessed.
Of course you wouldn't. I'm the genius. Thus, I'll use my dozy fizz darts to knock Magoo out and keep him out of my fur!
What a great idea, boss! I'll take care of it.
No, you won't. There's also a 99.999% certainty that you would fail miserably.
Boss? Where did you go, boss?
Keep it down, nitwit. I'm inside your head. You and me, Magoo. Sweet dreams, Fido.
Say there, neighbor. You wouldn't have seen my cat by chance. He ran away to get out of going to the groomers.
Oh, that bad boy. Sorry, Magoo. I haven't seen that cute little kitty of yours, but I'd be more than
No, I'll find him, Weasel. Mark my words. I'll have the last laugh on this one. Let's check out the park. That little piggy can't be far from the hot dog stand. Excuse me, sir. You wouldn't have seen this cat hanging around your sausages, would you?
Cute. But sorry, no.
No? Oh, well. But that gives me an idea.
Don't move. Perfect.
Come on, Weasel. This hot dog is the perfect bait to lure Mr. Cat. Who loves the tasty sausage, I know who. It's Mr. Cat.
This time you're a goner, Magoo.
Hot dogs! Come and get a tasty hot dog!
I'm gonna destroy you.
You don't scare me.
There he is. Mr. Cat! Yummy, yum, yum, snack time. You must be starving. Have a taste of this. Drat. He can smell a trap. Come on, Weasel. Mr. Cat! Get back here right now before I lose my temper. Hey, kid, mind if I borrow your scooter for a minute? Thanks, that's kind of you. keep this up, I'll have the groomer do your nails, too! Now I've got you.
Hey, you! No shoes at the pool!
I've just about had it with this.
All that over a little haircut. Don't you think you're a bit old for this kind of behavior, Mr. Cat? You know, in life, you can't always get what you want. Just think of all those alley cats who'd love to be in your shoes.
Sweet dreams, Magoo.
That's right. Hey, don't give me that face. Thanks for your help, Weasel. Very neighborly of you. You know what, Mr. Cat? Since you don't like going to the groomers so much, I'll give you a bath at home instead.
Magoo!